Magandang araw sa lahat. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang pagkakitaan sa PDAX. Alamin din natin kung paano kumita dito sa platform na ito. Ito ay isang trading platform na talagang legit na legit at kikita ka kapag sinusunod mo ang tamang process. Okay, marami na ang kumikita dito at kaka-withdraw ko lang din ng 1,400 pesos to my UB account. And there are 4 easy steps on how to start trading with PDAX. Okay, so let's go right away to my screen. Okay, and let us start checking on how to trade with or paano kumita dito sa PDAX. Okay, so let me share my screen now. Okay, one moment here. All right, there you go. Okay, so sa cryptocurrency, maraming mga cryptocurrency talaga ang nandito sa PDAX. Okay, so PDAX is buying and selling Bitcoin and cryptocurrency directly with Philippine peso. Okay, so sign up today, it says here, and start trading the world's top cryptocurrencies for as low as 200 pesos. O, diba? Ang tawag dito talagang minimal lang yung investment, 200 pesos. Okay, kahit estudyante ka pa or ano man nakalagay dito sa buhay, kayang-kayang mag-invest kasi 200 pesos lang pwede na. Okay, so we can start trading. Why PDAX? Because PDAX is a Philippines homegrown cryptocurrency exchange that empowers Filipinos to trade cryptocurrencies backed with dedicated local support. Okay, and then if you will scroll down here, reasons to trade directly with the Philippine peso. Why? We can save money sa mga fee kasi kadalasan before na wala pang update dito na pwede tayong mag-trade with sarili nating currency like sa ating peso, Philippine peso. Dati kasi mag-exchange ka pa, dami pang dadaanan, dami rin babayarang fees. Pero dito, directly sa ating currency. Okay, so save money on fees. No need to convert your fiat into USDT before trading. Kasi dati, kailangan i-convert mo pa. So, buy cryptocurrency at cheaper rates without worrying about conversion fees and fluctuating spreads. Okay? So, secure transactions, eliminate the risk and the hassle of transacting with strangers just to avoid cash-in charges. So PDAX provides you a reliable platform with a little to no transaction fees, making depositing funds effortless and quick. Okay, so buy for as low as 200 pesos. All right, 200 pesos, and execute trading strategies seamlessly with user-friendly and responsive features. So to get started, sabi ko kanina, very easy lang to start trading here at PDAX. Number 1, sign up ka, create a free account, and then number 2, get verified, complete the verification process, and then number 3, cash in. So mag-add ka ng 200 pesos or like kung magkano lang i-invest mo, 500 kaya. So, add funds to your wallet and then start trading. Okay? You can also be part of the community. Meron silang official Facebook group. Once na pupunta ka sa pdax.ph online, pwede mo i-click lang dito yung official Facebook group. Okay? And then, maka-follow ka na sa kanila. And then makakuha ng mga iba't ibang paraan how to grow your money in PDAX. And also, they have official Telegram channel. All right. Okay, so if you have any questions, click mo lang ito dito, your questions answered. Okay? Because meron silang support. Alright? Okay, so papakita ko ngayon yung aking transaction kung paano cash in, cash out dito. Okay, so yung akin, pag nagka-cash in or cash out ka, mag-withdraw ka, punta ka lang sa funds, okay? Then click payment out. Okay, you can withdraw your money, yung kinikita mo dito sa PDAX, from your PDAX account, or transfer cryptocurrency to other wallets quickly and securely. So you can cash out via InstaPay, PayMaya, PesoNet, Union Bank, Cebuana Loelier, or M Loelier, or send, pwede kang mag-send din ng Bitcoin or BTC, ETH, XRP, BCH, and a lot more to other wallet addresses. Okay? Alright, so how to transfer funds pagka nag-ano ka na, magte-trade ka na, so transfer funds yan. Okay. Now, let me check here. Nung nakaraang araw, this is my balance. So, as I've mentioned earlier, na nag-withdraw ako ng 1,400. Okay, dito. Kasi yung aking, tumubo na siya. Yung 900 ko, tumubo siya, didagdag ko ng 200 hanggang naging 1,400. Okay. Hindi ito siya quick scheme na kikita ka agad, yayaman ka agad. Depende na lang kung talagang magaling kang mag-trade. Pero kung baguhan ka pa lang, so nagle-learn, katulad ko, nagle-learn din ako. So I was with PDAX for a few months now, and then yun ang kinikita ko. Alright? So marami din silang mga updates na rin dito, kasi dati hindi ka pwedeng didiretso lang na mag-cash in dito. Alright, so pakita ko dito kung paano mag-cash out, okay, or mag-withdraw ng funds or ng kinikita mo sa PDAX. Unang-una, click mo yung funds, okay, and then mapunta ka dito. Alright, so makita mo yung payment in, payment out, transfer funds. Okay, so dahil mag-withdraw ka, click mo yung payment out. Okay. Right, so makikita mo dito, nakaraan may nag-withdraw ako ng 1,400. Okay. Alright, so ganito lang. Pagka meron ka namang i-cash out or withdraw, makikita mo na kaagad dito yung balance mo. Ito since nakuha ko na, so 0 yan. Pero nung nag-withdraw ako, may 1,423 here. So click mo lang to, then cash out, click cash out. And then, eto. So, tatanungin ka kung ano bang gustong gagamitin mo dito kung magka-cash out o mag-withdraw ka. So, online banking, may InstaPay. Click mo lang to, okay? Or may PesoNet or Union Bank. Transfer diretso. Or kaya, kung wala ka dyan, dito ka sa e-wallet. May PayMaya at saka GCash. Okay? So, real-time ito. Makikita mo kaagad sa iyong GCash or sa PayMaya, okay? And or over the counter. Okay, yung pwede mo rin siyang withdrawin via Cebuana Loelier or M Loelier. Okay? At makikita mo dito yung mga transactions. Okay? So, cash out 1,400, 1,200, makikita mo 800 cash out. At ang cash limit dito is 50,000. Okay? Right. So 50,000. Let me see what remaining ito. Okay, basta ang limit sa isang araw, 50,000. Okay, 50,000. Okay, pesos. Alright, so that's it. And also, if you want to start trading, click mo lang itong trade. So, pwede mo siyang i-explore lang dito. So, click mo lang yung trade, mapupunta ka na doon sa live trading. Okay? Kita mo dito, bagal ng internet ko. Gabi na kasi ngayon. Okay. Now, dito, ito yung platform. Dito ka magte-trade para kumita. Okay. Sa ngayon, click ko yung BTC or Bitcoin. 2,930,000 ay isang Bitcoin. Okay. And let me take a closer look. Okay, so saan na ngayon ang BTC? So nasa 2,944,820. Okay? Now, simple lang naman ang guide dito, ang concept dito. Bumili ka ng cryptocurrency na mababa at ibenta mo siya ng mataas na price. Okay? So, pag bibili ka, dito, titingnan mo dito, click mo yung buy. Okay? So, green dapat yan. At titingnan mo rin dito yung green. Okay? Hanapin mo dito yung sino yung pinakamataas na bumibili. Ayan. So, bibili. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng limit kasi para to minimize losing your money. Okay? Alright. And then, click sell if magbebenta ka. And explain ko sa susunod ko na video on how to trade. Okay? And how to make your money grow here, okay, in PDAX. As low as 200 pesos investment. Okay? So, mag-invest ka ng 200, palakihin mo yon. It's up to you pero kung gusto mo mag-invest ng 5,000, 10,000, mamili ka rin lang dito kung ilang percent bang gusto mong tubuin. Okay? Diba? Napakaganda. Alright. And hope nakatulong ito sa atin na naghahanap ng mga pagkakaitaan online. Just to make sure lang na mga legit itong ating pinapasok. Okay? Do your due diligence. Okay? I-check lahat kung ito ba siya ay legit na platform. Okay? Alright? Pero nakita naman natin ang PDAX is talagang regulated siya ng Bangko Sentral. Okay? So, meron siyang karapatang mag-trade. Right? And if you have any questions, i-post nyo lang dyan sa comments. Okay? Alright. So, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share na rin. So, maraming matutulungan. Okay? Na kumita dito sa legit na platform na ito. Okay? So, have a wonderful day and stay safe.